Welcome friends. Today we will discuss L&T Technology Services Limited. It's a large cap company with a market capitalization of about 46,000 crores. Now having a look at the corporate snapshot, the revenues for FY23 stood at about 8,000 crores. The company has got about 341 global clients. Its presence is in 20 plus countries. It's got 22,200 plus employees and 99 innovative labs and 101,090 patents. The company is into various verticals. So one of the verticals is transportation, where it is steering new growth paradigms for 8 of the top 10 global OEMs. LTTS is well aligned with the future trends in the transportation industry and partners with some of the largest global OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers in the automotive, trucks and off-highway vehicles, railways and aerospace sector. The company is actively engaged in driving the future of mobility through its solutions for electric vehicles and advanced driver assistance systems, autonomous driving AD, and software-defined vehicles (SDV). The second vertical that it caters to is telecom and high-tech, where it is revitalizing the landscape for 8 of the top 10 global technology majors. As a domain leader, LTTS helps global customers engineer value across the telecom and high-tech product lifecycle, from design conceptualization of development. The teams provide digital energy services solutions and lab as a service offering for service products, networking and technology system operations, OEMs and chipset manufacturers across 5 key segments: telecom, consumer electronics, semiconductors, ISVs and media and entertainment. The third sector that it caters to is industrial products, wherein they are helping redesigning product portfolios for 7 of the top 10 global companies. LTTS industrial product offerings are built around industrial machinery and building technology and electrical controls, power and utilities. The company leverages its deep domain expertise across product engineering, software, electronics, connectivity, mechanical engineering, industrial network protocols, IIoT, smart industry products, test frameworks, and enterprise control systems to support global customers. Under plant engineering, they are helping streamline transformation journey for 7 of the top 10 global manufacturers. They have a robust delivery framework and engineering capabilities over various disciplines, help drive customer success across all key stages of a modern plant lifecycle, from conceptualization to commissioning. Leveraging a consulting-led framework, years of expertise and specialization, LTTS industry-leading digital solution enable global manufacturers to upgrade and integrate their legacy systems with smart platforms, drive next-generation connectivity, and deliver on desired business outcomes. Under medical devices, they are delivering cutting-edge wellness with the top 10 global healthcare OEMs. LTTS works closely with the leading global medical device manufacturers and healthcare providers to offer services and solutions around new product development and sustenance, digital manufacturing and processes, and quality and regulatory compliances (QARA). The company is active across diagnostic and in vitro diagnostic, surgical and orthopedic devices and therapeutic products. In the product provider segment, the company helps to improve operational efficiencies and delivers transformative patient experience journey. So now let's have a look at the quarterly results Q2 FY24. So Q2 FY24 is in this column, and previous quarter Q1 FY24 is in this column, and last year's same quarter Q2 is in this first column. So on quarter basis, the company saw its revenue grew by 3.7% from 23,000 crores to 23,865 crores, while year on year it grew 4.6% from 22,817 crores to 23,865 crores. If we look at the gross margins, the margins have dropped this quarter from 30% to 28%, and year on year also there is a drop from 29% to 28%. So if we have a look at the net income of the company, it has grown 1.4% quarter on quarter from 3,111 crores to 3,154 crores, which is flattish, and year on year it has grown 5.2% from 2,999 crores to 3,111 crores. The stock was under pressure today because of the results, and it fell by about 6%. But having a look at the overall chart of the company, we can see that there's a decent growth from say 2020 Feb till date. It has grown 150%. Now let's have a look at the key financials of the company. The current stock price is 4,354. It made a 52-week high of 4,860 and a 52-week low of 3,216. The stock is currently trading at a P/E of 36. The book value of the stock is 453. That means it's trading at about 10 times its book value. ROC is 32%, which is good. ROE is also good at 25%. Debt to equity is 0.11, and promoter holding is a decent 73.8%. Quarterly results we have already discussed, and if we look at the yearly performance of the company, in 2015 it was making a revenue of about 2,600 crores. From there it has grown to today at about 8,000 crores, which is about 3 times the revenue in 2015. Operating profit margins have also improved over the years from 15% to 18% to 20%, and today it stands at 21%. And if we look at the net profit growth from 311, it has grown to 425, then to 768, then to 666, and today it stands nearly at 1,200 crores. Compounded sales growth for trailing 12 months is 18%. Compounded profit growth for trailing 12 months is 17%. Sales stock price CAGR for 1 year is 26%, and return on equity for last 1 year is 25%. Balance sheet is a decent one with a reserves of about 4,700 crores and borrowing of 551 crores, which is about 11%. Which is about 11% of the reserves. And if we look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold a decent 74%, FIs hold nearly 6%, DIs hold nearly 11%, and rest 9.5% is held by the public. So this was it about LTTS. It's a long-term story, and since there is a slowdown in the economy and the software companies also down for last 1.5 years or so. So if you want to invest, you can invest from a point of view of long term. So this was it about it, and we'll meet up in a new video soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.